Welcome to today's edition of Nibblin' and Noshin'. I'm Mary Leach, the dietitian at Mosaic Cancer Care in St. Joseph, Missouri. Last month, we made a caprese salad, and we sure hope that you gave that a try. And if you did, please comment below of how you made it, what you did, if you made it as a salad or as kebabs. We would absolutely know how you are putting these recipes to use. Of course, we know that it is summer and farmers markets are just bustling with patrons. And so this month, what we would like to make is a minted honey lime fruit salad. And that's not as easy to say as you might think. So in this recipe, we start off with 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we have 3 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of lime zest, and 3 tablespoons of fresh chopped mint. So we'll start off with our dressing first. And so we'll get that honey going. Now, one thing that I've done for today is I've already pre-cut my fruits and my fruits, I guess. No vegetables today. And I have them diced up. Now, one thing I didn't show you was how important it is to wash your fruits and vegetables before you consume them, especially for cancer patients or anybody at risk for foodborne illness. We encourage the washing of those. So had I have done the melons, I could have used a brush like this to scrub the outside of that. To do the strawberries, I simply run them under water and get as much off as I can. I also like doing that because it gets rid of some of those seeds. And again, I think I have said this before, I wish that this was smell-o-vision because it smells so amazing with that fresh, bright lime juice. So in my bowl, I'm gonna take approximately half of a fresh cantaloupe that I have diced up, a half of a honeydew. It's actually about 2 cups of diced fruits, about 2 cups of fresh pineapple, and 2 cups of fresh strawberries. And maybe I should have gotten a bigger bowl, but this will work quite all right. We'll just toss that together, and then we're going to pour the dressing over it, or the glaze. And the lime and the mint, of course, they're both bright, wonderful flavors. And then the honey provides that sweetness. And so we'll mix this up and you have a great fall or summer fruit salad. Look at how pretty that is. I bet your family would love that at family reunions or even back to school get-togethers. And here, after the garnish, you have a honey minted lime fruit salad. We hope that you enjoy this. Another thing with fruit salads like this, if you don't like honeydew melon, for example, you could always add watermelon instead, or maybe you want to add some grapes to it. There's just so many different fruits that you could use and still have a beautiful, tasty end product. So, as you can tell, during our Nibblin' and Noshin' videos, 2 of the things that we really strive for is good nutrition, as well as things that are versatile, things that are easy for you to prepare. We hope that you have enjoyed the fruit salad today. We hope that you try it yourself. And again, feel free to leave comments in the comments section so we can know how you have made that and what you think of our recipes, or if you even have new ideas. Maybe you tried lemon juice or orange juice in place of that lime juice. So please let us know. Your ideas and your trials may be enough to inspire other individuals to try these recipes. Until next time, we hope that you enjoy your nibbling and noshin'. Eat well.